A frequent question we hear in the visitor center is, how do the locks work? While the machinery and technology can be fairly complicated, the process itself is actually very simple and dates back thousands of years. I'm Michelle Briggs, Chief Park Ranger here at the Soo Locks, and in this Ranger Reel, let's take a look at how the locks work. A navigation lock is basically a dam that can be manipulated to control the flow of water to carry ships around an obstruction like a rapids or waterfall. Here in Sault Ste. Marie, ships need to bypass the rapids, which drop 21 feet over bedrock, forming a barrier between Lake Superior and Huron. To pass between Lake Superior and Lake Huron, a downbound ship will enter the lock filled to high pool. Once the ship is secured in the chamber, the lock and dam operator lowers the ship arrestor, closes the gates and the filling valve at the upper end. The emptying valve will then be opened, allowing the water to flow out into the lower river using nothing more than gravity. When the ship reaches low pool or the Lake Huron level, the operator will open the gates, allowing the ship to continue on its way. The process is exactly the same, only in reverse for an upbound vessel. Culverts built into the lock walls and the floors of the lock chamber allow water to flow in or out of the chambers as needed. The culverts in the PO lock are large enough to drive a truck through, allowing 1 million gallons of water a minute to flow in or out of the lock chamber. Lifting or lowering a ship takes only about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing ships to quickly and safely bypass the rapids. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have questions or suggestions for future Ranger Reels, please leave them right down there in the comments.